What is up, my YouTube friends? Welcome to another reminder video for questions from the truck number 26. Yeah, man, we're moving along. And I'm kind of excited because I have a new little, I don't know how to put it, question or topic. Yes, topic that I can try to get you answers to your questions for. So, as always, if you have model railroad related, woodworking related, and transit commuter rail related questions, because I have guys that are knowledgeable in that stuff, my posse. And put your questions below and I'll try to get you answers either from you, the viewer, myself, or my posse. I'm in the city today and it's kind of crazy down here. Working everywhere. Man, there's like, you come down to the city, South Philadelphia, and I haven't been down here since Christmas, and it's always changing. But anyway, I'm going to put a train video after this. I'm not going to say little because I always say little train video, but I just mean a short video, not a short train. Enjoy the train. Be well, be blessed. See you Sunday. Peace. See ya. So they couldn't make it up the hill. They had some wheel slip. So then they're going to roll back and give it another go. Old Pensy, sick 43. Bleeding like a pig. Let's try again, boys. Take two. Here he comes, man. I think this little engine's tired. He's moving, man. He's got to get up this hill. Listen to him work. Oh, they made it. They made it. Yay.
They're slowing down. They're slowing down.
I think they're putting her away for the day. So how this works, they really don't have a schedule. They just, people come up, get on, and they go. So they could have, you know, as many trips as there are people during the day. You know? So they were running on the outside track, and they moved over to the inside. Somewhere down there, I guess they switched over. Now maybe they'll switch back over further up and put it away for the day. That's what it looks like. It's a cool little railroad. Got a cool little museum with a nice O-Scout layout. I went in, but I didn't film it. Just not feeling I'm just not feeling it today. It's hot, man, and you gotta wear a mask in there. It's inside, and it's like, yeah, not feeling it. The train show here, my buddy went in. He says it wasn't that great.
Take a deep breath, Bill.
There they go, back on the other side. That's a small engine. I don't know much about steam engines. Maybe you guys can let me know what that thing is and more about it. Like that boiler part looks small. That's it, man. Choo-choo's over. Here he comes again. Wonder if he's gonna make the hill. It's going awful slow. I don't know. Ah, it must be done for the day.